Thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the ZSCMALLS Portable Monitor. I got it on sale for $111 American. Currently it's on sale for $129. It comes in this generic black box. Inside you'll find the instructions manual with very poorly written English, as almost all generic electronics from China. The cover that works as a stand feels like real good quality, but maybe with time it will degrade. Also included with the monitor is a screen protector. How generous of them. Good thing, because good luck finding one made specific for this screen. The built-in stand comes with 3 viewing positions, which I found not too bad. The portable package includes the 15.6 portable monitor, 1 HD to mini HD cord, 1 protective carrying case that serves as a stand, Type-C to Type-C cord, 1 Type-C to Type-A, and 1 adapter. Setup was just plug and play. It was incredibly easy to set this thing up. As you can see here, the viewing angles from my Acer Swift 3 are not too bad. And when I switch over to the monitor, you can see in a dark room, the viewing angles aren't that bad either. For a monitor that costs around $110. You have your standard settings. I adjusted the brightness to max, but I felt halfway would work just as good in a lit room. I do feel that you leave it on max brightness that it would shorten the lifespan of the monitor. As for the built-in speakers, they're just awful.
Alright, what's up? MKBHD here. So, we got a little surprise, a little quiet but not so quiet addition to Apple's holiday season stuff, a little one more thing.
But if you're looking for a second screen, the built-in speakers are just a plus. I will be using wired headphones, so this doesn't matter to me. I also hooked it up to my Switch here. I have Street Fighter 3rd Strike to test the lag, and I have to say the lag is minimal. I will not be using this to play video games, but I just wanted to see how it would fare. The lag is not noticeable, but I do feel if I hooked up to, say, Call of Duty on the PS4, then I would most certainly feel the lag. As for the specifications on it, it's a 19 by 20 by 1080 resolution IPS screen. It has the plug-and-play portable display with USB-C and mini HDMI to USB port. What's great about this device is that it comes with a 100% money-back guarantee for any issue within 30 days, 3-year warranty and tech support, which I think is pretty impressive. I do feel we'll crap out before the 3 years though. But as far as the Surface goes, who knows if you can get someone that speaks English through their customer support. From what I tested, I do recommend this monitor. It's a great value even for $129. If you're looking for a thin portable monitor that weighs less than 1.5 pounds and with over 1,200 positive reviews, this is for you. Hey, I want to thank you for checking out this video. If you like it, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Thanks a lot and have a great day.